If El-Rufai didn't want to be minister, why did he respond to the nomination and the screening with the Senate? He wanted to be minister. We all know how much power, how much he loves power. It's not today. He loves power, and when he doesn't get power, he wants to disrupt everything and make everybody look like an idiot. That's exactly who he is. But this time around, he's gotten it wrong because he's dealing with the wrong man. I don't blame him. Asiwaju cited him in the public in Kaduna and more or less told him, no, you must join us in governance. And he felt very proud of himself, as if he's some Nostradamus. Okay, walking down the line, he didn't make Senate screening. Instead of him to face his problem and find out why he didn't make the screening, he went to town and started to vituperate. What is the essence of that? He's not a little boy. This was a man who was DG of BPE. He was minister in FCT, governor for 8 years. What else does he want God to do for him? He failed Kaduna. We lost presidential election in Kaduna now. So what is it? If you can't win the election in your locality, in your state, what kind of politicians do you think you are? And he's surrounded by some people who are obviously political failures. Some have been struggling since 1999. They have been failing successively since 1999, and they will continue to fail until they get into the grave. Some even lost their state to a successor. Amechi is taunting, Wike is taunting Amechi like a baby. Amechi is not even supposed to come out to talk. He has lost his political wit. So who else is there? Peter Obi. Of course, we all know Peter Obi will keep ranting forever. You go to the north where Hausa cap today, get into the mosque. Tomorrow he will continue to do that. Asiwaju is not a man they can mess with politically. Yeah, but what I'm saying to you is, any move Bola Tinubu makes, rather than patriotically understanding it, a Peter Obi will criticize it and hack it down. That old Baba, what's his name now? Baba Atiku will find faults. As if they were the president, they can't make such, situation. They can't be in that kind of situation. No. When a government is in power, it's only responsible of all of us to patriotically support such government so that the government can deliver. I am not saying that there should not be opposition. But of course, these people are not even capable of putting proper opposition on the table. Now, today, Nigeria is on the path of growth. You see, why some of them are getting very disturbed is because they feel that it must be business as usual.
In-depth analysis.